One of the greatest things that ever happened to me in my life is when I lost my stepdad. The reason why I say that is because he taught me a very valuable lesson. And one of the greatest lessons he taught me when he died is to learn two things: how to appreciate time and also how to deal with losses. Right before he died, an hour before he got killed, I spoke to that man, and it was the first time I rushed off the phone without telling him I love you. And when he died, I wish there was every moment in time where I could have went back in time and tell him that shit. Now I say that to say this. See, people don't appreciate the moments in the moment when you're there. And sometimes when the moment is missed, they wish they could go back in time. And this is when you realize that the most valuable asset that you have in your life is time. One of the greatest gifts that I ever received was learn how to deal with disappointment and losses. You see, all my life I've been taking a lot of L's, and that's okay, because those L's didn't turn into losses, they turned into lessons. And that's how I started receiving my blessings. You see, I've always been a nice guy. I've been too nice, and that's okay. Because what I realize is that you can't do unto others and you want others to do on back to you. You just got to do unto others as you want God to continue doing on to you, because sometimes you are the blessing. That's the reason why I said there's nothing that happened to me, but it happened for me. I've learned over the years that blood don't make us family. Blood make you relative. Family are people that are loyal, trustworthy, and respectful. Family are the ones that love you. And the only way someone can love you is if they respect you. Love is respect, because you only respect what you understand and accept and appreciate and definitely cherish. So when someone say they love you, what they're saying is that I understand you, accept you, appreciate you. You can't love something that is disrespectful. You can't love something that's not trustworthy. And you can't love something that's disloyal. And that's the reason why you gotta believe in yourself, and you will be unstoppable. Trust God. Trust God's plans. Trust God's way. Trust God's path. And you will never be led astray. Keep winning.